Aha!
Welcome to Gen AI Briefs. Here's today's AI News Briefs for March 23rd, 2024. Remix.ai is taking creativity to the next level with the launch of 3D capabilities powered by Stability AI's latest stable video 3D release. This game-changing new 3D button allows users to effortlessly add an extra dimension of depth to their video creations with just a tap. During this initial beta rollout, the team recommends sticking to simpler shapes and subjects for the best 3D results. A pro tip: using a plain white background can really make your 3D models pop. Remix is encouraging their community to dive in and experiment as pioneers pushing the boundaries of 3D AI video. While fine-tuning continues, users are invited to share their three-dimensional masterpieces using the hashtag Remix3D. This launch marks just the beginning of Remix's vision to unlock unprecedented spatial potential through the magic of AI-powered CGI. Remix.ai is a free AI art social app community with many generation models to choose from. Create, share, and remix AI. In other news, Tennessee has become the first U.S. state to pass groundbreaking legislation shielding musicians and their intellectual property from unauthorized AI impersonation. The Ensuring Likeness Voice and Image Security Act, or ELVIS Act, prohibits the use of artificial intelligence to mimic an artist's voice or image without explicit permission. Signed into law by Governor Bill Lee, this move aims to safeguard the rights and livelihoods of artists and songwriters in a state renowned for its rich musical heritage. The music industry is deeply woven into Tennessee's cultural fabric, supporting over 61,000 jobs and encompassing more than 4,500 venues statewide. The ELVIS Act represents a pioneering effort to adapt legal protections to the rapidly evolving AI landscape. As the technology progresses, enabling both innovative tools and potential threats in music creation, this law establishes crucial guardrails around artistic intellectual property in the age of generative AI. The Pentagon is developing a new initiative called Replicator to rapidly produce thousands of low-cost AI-enabled drones. This effort is aimed at counterbalancing the numerical advantages held by potential adversaries like China in any future conflict scenarios. Unlike traditional military drone acquisitions, which are slow and costly, Replicator emphasizes mass production and easy replaceability. The goal is to transform how the U.S. military equips itself by prioritizing a numbers game, fielding large swarms of expendable drones enabled by artificial intelligence. This program reflects the Pentagon's need to accelerate innovation cycles and adopt autonomous systems to maintain battlefield superiority. Replicator drones allow for reduced risk to human personnel while adapting modern warfare tactics and strategies driven by AI technologies that state rivals like China are also aggressively pursuing. That's it for today's news briefs. The links to the sources are in the podcast description. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on Monday.